We would like to announce the release of Lorentz version 9.0. You will find significant upgrades to the user interface, which brings new features to the program. This presentation will highlight 10 features to deliver faster and more accurate results. The flow of the trajectory menu is now consistent with the rest of the program, starting with physics, then solving, then analyzing the solution. The emitters and emissions are now defined from a single location. Emitters can now be constructed from multiple surfaces, as demonstrated in this model where you see one emitter composed of two emitting surfaces. You can now see which emitter you are working with at any given time by the red and blue colored patches shown in the workspace. For analysis of individual particles, it's now possible to specify multiple independent initial conditions for the particles in a table. You can still link an emitter to an emission file, but you are also able to delink them so that the initial conditions in the file become part of the Lorentz model and can be edited from within Lorentz. It's still possible to set time and/or distance limits for an emission, but it's no longer required. The existing ODE solver methods of RK4, RK5, and Buehler-Stower have been improved, and a new RK853 option has been added. There is a new trajectory toolbar which lets you choose which existing beams to display and which type of viewing to use. In the 2D program, the new 3D viewing mode enables you to see three-dimensional effects such as the rotation of the beam seen in this sample due to the magnetic field, or the full 3D view of a beam launched from multiple angles around the rotational symmetry axis. The number one reason to upgrade to Lorentz version 9.0 is to discover for yourself the many other improvements that have been made to better your simulation experience.